Good morning, class. I'm Mr. Business, and today we will be learning about properties, which I will teach to you by showing you all an educational program via the television.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants! Absorbent and yellow and porous is he. SpongeBob SquarePants!
Commutative property means exchange or swap over, meaning numbers can be multiplied or divided in any order. Let's go get ice cream.
Three scoops, please. Thanks. So when SpongeBob goes and gets ice cream, he comes back the same way as before. It is the same distance and takes the same amount of time. Like in this problem, all the objects are doing is being moved from place to place, but all equal the same product.
Distributive property lets you multiply a sum by multiplying each item separately and then add the products.
Hey guys, want to share some ice cream? Howdy, SpongeBob. Sure.
Thanks.
The distributive property is being used when they distribute the two, and it has the same value. And a cool way to remember is when you distribute or share food and stuff, everybody gets part of it.
Substitution substitutes quantities for each other into an expression as long as those quantities are equal.
Hey, let's all go to Glove World. I can drive. And the substitution property of the problem, we are taking the 2's in this problem and putting them into the products next to them. And when we're putting them together, this is what you get. And a cool way to remember is you're basically, whenever you're substituting, you're simplifying. And if you want a fancier way, you can imagine you're getting a sub at Subway. This is all the ingredients before the sandwich. And this is the produced sandwich once everything is put together. The substitution property is shown in SpongeBob when they all combine into the same car when they go to Glove World. Howdy, y'all! Associative property. You can add or multiply regardless of how the numbers are grouped.
Where's Sandy?
I think she might have fallen down on the way. I'm coming! How's that ice cream, Patrick?
The ice cream hit the spot.
I know it's all over your face. You should probably get cleaned up.
Okay, SpongeBob.
Hey, you want to ride the Ferris wheel with me? Sure, SpongeBob! The next part of the problem is using the associative property, where they move the parentheses around. Where the parentheses was here, they moved it to here. And a cool way to remember that is in social situations, when you're hanging out with your one friend and then you want to leave that friend, you go to your other friend and make the parentheses around them. And the substitution property is back. Okay, so when you put them, we're doing the same thing here. We're putting these two together to get this, and you remember that you're basically simplifying it to a smaller number, and the sub rule, where those are the ingredients, and that makes the sandwich. Later that evening. That was fun. We should do it again sometime. In this real-life application problem, to demonstrate the associative property, all we would need to do is get rid of the parentheses and then redraw the parentheses. And it will equal the same number.